Namaste, this is Cheranyaa. Today I'm going to tell you a story about determination and the power of a strong will. Once near a coast, there was the beach this side on the land, just where the waves used to come. Two sparrows kept their nest. Two small birds, they kept their nest. And when the waves used to come, when the tide used to come, their nest and their eggs used to get taken away by the sea. These sparrows, these small birds were very angry upon the sea. Their eggs, the sea used to take. Again the next time, in the same place, they laid their eggs. The next time also, the waves took away. They were very angry upon the sea. They were like, give back our eggs or else we will drown you. The sea did not care. They thought of drowning the sea. With their small feathers, they used to sand into the water, tap it into the sand, into the water. Imagine two small birds. What can they do? But they continued their process with a strong will, strong decision and a goal to drown the sea. They continued, and later, seeing these two birds, other birds of the same species, they came to help them. They were like, oh, our birds are only struggling to drown the sea. Let us also help them. Without knowing the cause, they started helping. Wings into the sea and washed off their sand. Like that, other birds of the same species, full, all the birds had come and they were all taking the sand and putting into the sea. Seeing these birds, other birds of different species like like crows, sparrows, mynas, all other birds, they also started coming. Oh, our friends are struggling. Let us also help them. They used to take the sand, put it in the sea, wash their wings. This continued, all the birds were there. Once Garuda. Who is Garuda? He is considered like the head of the birds. He saw, my fellow friends are here. What are they trying to do? They are trying to drown the sea. There must be a cause. Let me also help them. He also, with his big wings, dipped it into the sand and then washed it into the sea. They continued this process. Now, Garuda is who? Garuda is Vishnu's vehicle. Vishnu was wondering, where is my vehicle? Where did Garuda go? Then he went in search of Garuda. He found Garuda near that beach. And he was wondering, what is Garuda doing here? He questioned Garuda what he was doing. He realized that Garuda wanted to drown the sea. He asked why. Garuda didn't know why. Garuda asked the other birds whom he saw. They also didn't know why. This continued. And finally, when it came to those two birds who had really lost their eggs, they told the story about how they lost their eggs and what they wanted to do. Vishnu decided on a solution, that the birds should keep their nest somewhere far away where the sea doesn't come, and the sea should return back. The sea lord appeared and returned. Vishnu did justice, seeing both the sides, and he did justice. But this is not a moral. Our moral, or the thing which we can take is from the story, is that two small birds, can they really drown the sea? But still, they had that goal. They continued with consistency and discipline. And for them, the others also helped, and they were finally able to do whatever they wanted to. This story tells us that with a strong will, we can do anything and everything we want. Thank you.